Mark Johnson here. I'm going to give you a quick overview on a couple of different ways to sign up a customer or a distributor. First of all, go to your website. Make sure you're on your website. Remember, customers shop, distributors join. Customers shop, distributors join. So we're going to first do a customer. So we're shopping. Just like any site, we're going to pick, in this case, the Vitality Stack. We'll say we want the packets. And now we're going to check out. And it's a pretty simple process. Most people are familiar with it. Simply fill out all of your information and then press continue to finish out the experience. I want to recommend that you always carry customers' preferred customer applications forms with you. They're available at the bottom of your website. And this just makes it very, very simple to get the customer's information and sign them up. And you can fill all of this out and then fax it in with a phone number, and LifeVantage will call and get the credit card information. If you're uncomfortable getting that information from a customer, what I like to do is I like to get the information and their credit card information on pen and paper. I can do it fast, and then I'm not inconveniencing the customer while I'm putting it on the website, or what if your Wi-Fi is not working good, or what have you. So just a suggestion. Okay, let's go through the sign-up process for a join us process for a distributor is very much the same way. So remember, customers shop, distributors join. So you would click on the join us button. And a lot of these screenshots I've captured for you so we can go a little faster. So again, it's simply filling out the information on page 1, picking your distributor pack they want. In this case, it was a silver pack that they picked. And then it's a matter of putting in all of their information. Remember, they're distributors, so we need social security number and all of that for taxes. Then they review the information. They click all the I agree boxes, or you click them for them. If I'm doing this for a customer, just a note, I will click all agrees, and then I will download all of these to make sure they're the most current one. And then I will email them to them and saying, these are all the things that you agreed to as a distributor. If you have any questions or issues or problems, let me know ASAP. I'm not sure if that's the right way, but that's what I do. Continuing here, you can see I've blacked out the information. But again, pretty simple, filling out all the information, getting to the payment side, putting in their credit card information. And then we set up the monthly subscription. Pick the products they want in their monthly subscription, when they want it delivered, click the I agree box, are you using the same credit card, etc. This is all pretty much self-explanatory. When it's all done, this screen pops up giving them their customer ID number, their LifeVantage ID number. And if they want to, they don't have to. They can log right in and to their website. If they do, this will pop up verifying and getting permission and consent for LifeVantage to contact them by phone and by email. They confirm those. And this last one is confirming their monthly, reviewing their monthly order on a subscription basis. More terms and agreements, etc. Now this I wanted to share with you because this is one of the ways I do it. I like spreadsheets. I'm a spreadsheet guy, and I actually do this in Google Docs. But I've collected, this is all the information that I want to collect from somebody who is a customer or a distributor. So I have a preferred customer information. All this blacked out stuff, you don't need that because they're a customer. You do need that for a distributor. And recently working on a fellow who's going to be a Mexico distributor, and so I'm trying to get that information here. But this is just so that I can take the information quickly on pen and paper, know exactly what information I need so that I can make it convenient for them, as opposed to, you know, sometimes on a Saturday night, maybe the website's down, maybe Wi-Fi is not working right, maybe they're in a hurry, in a rush, pen and paper super fast, I can get their information and move on. So you might want to consider doing something like that. So here's a quick review. Remember, customers shop, distributors join. I recommend carrying paper enrollment forms with you, both customer and distributor, because it just makes it super easy to sign somebody up. Pen and paper always works. That technology doesn't always work, but it makes it very convenient. And also, I recommend handle and manage all of your personal customer enrollments and their order changes for them. I do this for my customers. One is it helps me learn the website. I'm going in, changing, adding to their order, what have you. It also keeps me in touch with them. If they want to change something, they want to drop a product or add a product or whatever, it gives me an opportunity to talk to them. But the main thing is that I'm actively involved in the website, and that really helps as far as staying current on the website. And then just a quick note here on the bottom, make sure that if you do collect customers' credit card information, you are personally responsible for that information. So delete it as soon as possible. Make sure that when you do have it, you keep it in a good, safe place, and you get it into the system as soon as possible and then get it deleted. I believe it's a Fair Credit Reporting Act violation not to do so. So make sure that you do. I hope this is helpful to you.